Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a powerful technical analysis tool called the Supertrend Indicator. So what is the Supertrend Indicator? The Supertrend is a trend-following indicator that helps traders identify the direction of the market, whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. The key to Supertrend is that it adjusts itself to the price action of the market, making it dynamic and responsive. You'll see that the Supertrend is plotted as a line on the price chart. When the candlestick is above the line, it indicates an uptrend, and when the candlestick is below the line, it indicates a downtrend. So how to use the Supertrend indicator? Now, let's talk about how to use the Supertrend in your trading strategy. The Supertrend works best when you're identifying the overall market trend, and it can help you make better entry and exit decisions. When the price is above the Supertrend line, it's a signal to buy. This suggests that the market is in an uptrend. When the price is below the Supertrend line, it's a signal to sell or go short, indicating a downtrend. However, in this case, I will incorporate a Heikin-Ashi chart to enhance the reliability of the signal and improve the win rate. Let's take a look at an example of how to use it in a trade. Here, we can observe the price of gold over the past few hours. Notice the green Supertrend line below the price action, with Heikin-Ashi also showing green candles. This indicates we're in an uptrend. If we were to enter a trade at this point, we would hold our position until the Heikin-Ashi begins to show consolidation, at which point we would exit the trade. We would then re-enter again when the Heikin-Ashi is moving upward again and take profit when the Heikin-Ashi starts consolidating once more. The same approach applies to a sell position. We would sell when the Supertrend aligns with the Heikin-Ashi and take profit when the Heikin-Ashi shows consolidation. Key points to remember before you start using the Supertrend. The Supertrend works best in trending markets. In choppy, sideways markets, it may give more false signals. To sum it up, the Supertrend is a simple yet effective indicator that can help you identify market trends and manage your trades.